Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can send Razorpay payment details to your Mattermost account automatically. Now suppose you are selling something online and the payment of the user fails. Now what will happen? The details will be sent to a specific channel in Mattermost where you have your team. The payment details will be sent to that channel and your team can work on that payment details so that if the payment has been failed in the Razorpay account, they can call the customer or they can contact the customer regarding it. And it is a very useful automation. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation software service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Razorpay and Mattermost together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are now at our screen. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to the address bar and type in Pabbly pabbly.com/connect and press enter. And whenever you will press enter, you will be redirected to this beautiful web page. Now here, what you have to do, you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you have to go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you can just go and click up for sign up free. And signing up is absolutely free, plus it will also give you 100 free tasks from our side so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay. Now I already have an account here, so I'll just go for sign in. And here I will log into my account. And now you can see this is the place where I have my all the softwares. So I am going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see when it will open, we will be redirected to a dashboard here of Pabbly Connect. You can see this. These are my automations. Now what I'm going to do, I have to create a new automation. So I will just go and click on create workflow. And now here what I am doing, I'll just write it here. Okay. So I'll just write here Razorpay to Mattermost, so that whenever I have a payment here in Razorpay, I will have a post in my Mattermost account. So this is how we are going to do. First, let me explain you two things. Here we have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. So let me show you action window as well. This is the action window. Now trigger window is the window where you are going to, you are going to have the event which is happening at the start of the process. And action is the window where the event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So here, what we are going to do, our trigger will be the payment which we are going to do or receive in our Razorpay account. And those payments will be the failed payments. The details of those payments will come here. Okay. Now trigger event will be payment failed. Now as you can see, the trigger is payment failed. The application is Razorpay. And here we have the webhook URL. Now what is the webhook URL? Webhook URL is the URL which will help us connect our Razorpay account with our Pabbly Connect account here. Okay. So what I am going to do, I am going to follow these steps here and I will just copy the webhook URL and use it to connect my Razorpay account to Pabbly Connect account. Now let me just quickly go here and log into my account. And as you can see, my account has been logged in here. Now what you have to do, you have to use this webhook URL. So just copy it. Go back to Razorpay dashboard. Go here at settings. Now click on webhooks. Now what you have to do is you have to click on add new webhook. Now here you have to paste the webhook URL that we copied from here. And then you can see a secret field here, an alert email field here. We do not want to touch them. We do not want to mess up with them. And now what we are going to do, we are going to select payment failed from the active events. So you can just type in payment.failed and you can just select it directly. Then come down and click on create webhook. So you can see the new webhook has been created here. And now here in Pabbly Connect, you can see it is waiting for the webhook response. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a dummy payment here And after making that dummy payment, we will select the payment procedure as a failure. What will happen that the failed payment details will be captured in the Pabbly Connect account. Now let's do this. So here is my page, social media marketing tutorial. I'll just copy it here and I'll just paste it here. And now I'll just put in all the fields here. My first name is Sharma. Sorry, my first name is Arpit. My last name is Sharma. Okay, the email is arpitsharma@gmail.com, and phone number is another dummy number which I'm going to use, 9876545678. Okay. Now I'm going to pay 400 rupees, which I am not going to pay basically, which means I am going to fail the payment. So a dummy card number 4111111111111. And here obviously Arpit Kumar Sharma is my full name and the CVV. Now pay, skip saving card, and one-time password successfully sent to the phone number linked to your card ending with 1111. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to cancel the payment, which in turn means the payment has been failed. So I will just click on cancel and it is saying yes. Are you sure you want to cancel the payment? Yes, cancel. And as soon as I will cancel the payment, which means the payment has been failed, I will go back to Pabbly Connect here and you can see the response received here, which is this. Payment failed, payment, 400 rupees, this, and these are the details. The card name is Arpit Kumar Sharma. Email name is arpitsharma@gmail.com. This is my phone number, this is my first name, and this is my last name. Okay. So we have all the information that we need here. And now what I am going to do, I am going to add a new action window here, which is Mattermost. Okay. So I am going to add Mattermost here, and after that we are going to connect our Mattermost to our Pabbly Connect account, and then at last the Razorpay account will automatically get connected to Mattermost account. So let me go and open Mattermost here. Now as you can see, I have opened my Mattermost account here, and you can see this is the dashboard of Mattermost account. Now here what you have to do, first we will go here and we will select Mattermost. Okay. Now what are we doing here? We are going to make a post or create a post in Mattermost. So we will click on create a post and then we will click on connect. Now how are you going to connect Mattermost? If you already have an existing connection, you can keep that connection, or now I am going to tell you how to add a new connection. Just go to add new connection and it is asking you for the token. Now from where you are going to get the token? So you are going to get the token from profile icon on the right corner, profile security settings, personal access tokens, and create new token. But before creating a new token, what you have to do is you have to enable personal access tokens. And how to do that? You have to click on the top left corner icon, system console, integration management, and enable personal access tokens. So let us do this first and then we will do this later. Okay. So we will go here, just go here, click on system console. And as soon as you will click on system console, you have to go to integrations, integration management. And here you can see this is the option, enable personal access tokens. Okay. So you should click on true. And after that only you will be able to create the access token, or I should say, after that only you will be able to use the access token which we are creating. So I'm just going back to main. Now here, let's say I want to post in this channel Pabbly Connect. So what I will do, I will go back here and I will follow these steps. Profile icon on right corner, profile security, personal access tokens, and create new token. And after that, I will connect my Mattermost to my Pabbly Connect account. Okay. So we are going to go here. Sorry, this is Razorpay. Go here, profile, security, personal access tokens, and here you have the option to create a new token. So I'm just going to create new token, token description, Razorpay 2 Mattermost. Okay, so you can see this is your security settings, and now as soon as you will click on save, here it is written, you are generating a personal access token with system admin permissions. Are you sure you want to create this token? So I will write yes, create. Sorry, I will select yes, create. Now here what you have to do, you have to copy the access token first, and do not press back until you copy the access token, because once you will press the back button or the cancel button, the token will vanish. So we will go back here and we will paste this token here. Okay, now you require the Mattermost URL. So what is Mattermost URL? The Mattermost URL, first let me just cancel this. Yes, I have copied the token. This is the Mattermost URL till.com. So you have to take it from https till.com, copy this and paste it here. And you do not need this slash, so just remove it and click on save. Now, as soon as you will do that, you can see that I have the options for team, which is main team, and we are not going to change that. Channel. So I have 4 channels here: marketing and sales team, off topic, Pabbly Connect, and town square. So suppose if I want to post in marketing and sales team, so you can see I have been testing this automation, and here I have 2 messages. Now I am going to add a new message here for the marketing and sales team. Channel is marketing and sales team. Message: hello team, the Razorpay payment for user. And now what I'm going to do here is I am going to use a technique which is called mapping. Mapping will let me take the data from this window and it will let me put the data here in this window. Okay, so hello team, the Razorpay payment for user, and here I am going to map in the first name and last name. User Arpit Sharma. So the Razorpay payment for user Arpit Sharma has been cancelled slash failed. Okay, it could it could be a cancelled payment, or he can just do the payment, but the payment would be failed. So in both the cases, the team will receive this message: has been cancelled, failed. Please contact him, her, and find out about the issue. Okay, now here what I am going to do, I am going to give the contact details. Email. Now here again I am going to map the email, which is arpitsharma@gmail.com, and here I am going to map the number. And number, okay, so this is the number with +91, because I am from India. You can use the code of your country. Okay, now what we are going to do, we do not want any root post ID or file IDs, so we will just click on save and send test request. And as soon as we will do that, you can see an ID has been generated here with a very long character text. I don't know what it is. So what we are going to do, we are just going to go back to our channel, and here you can see the message which I just typed in my Pabbly account. Hello team, the Razorpay payment for user Arpit Sharma has been cancelled, failed. Please contact him, her, and find out about the issue. Email is this and number is this. Okay, now let us try it for another person. This time it would be a female. So let's just go for Swati Sharma. Email is swatisharma@gmail.com, and phone number is another dummy number, 98766475568. Okay, pay 400 rupees. Card, again another dummy card number. Cardholder name is Swati Sharma. CVV is this. Now pay 400 rupees, skip saving card. And now what I'm going to do here, friends, you already know, I'm just going to cancel the payment. Yes, cancel. Which means the payment has been cancelled and also the payment has been failed. Now we'll go back to our marketing and sales team, and here you can see another message. Hello team, the Razorpay payment for user Swati Sharma has been cancelled, failed. Please contact him, her and find out about the issue. Email swatisharma@gmail.com. I'm really sorry for that. swatisharma@gmail.com, and this is the number. So friends, this is how you can connect your Razorpay account to your Mattermost account, and whenever a payment will get failed in your Razorpay account, an automatic post will be created on your Mattermost account on your separate specific channel, and it will go to your team so that your team can find out what is the matter, what's happening with this. Okay, now if you want to use this workflow for your business, you can just clone this workflow from my description into your account, but for that you need to have an account, and to have an account you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and it will also give you 100 free tasks from our side, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.